Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lebanon, local and long distance movers near me. With us in charge, you don't have to worry about the logistics of shipping items across long distances. Moving more than 50 miles away from your current residence is considered a long distance relocation. Regardless of where your belongings are situated, they will be delivered on time and in good shape. Our movers are experts in the art of transporting goods. When they load the trucks, they precisely arrange and bundle your belongings. The moving trucks we use are of the highest caliber, and it's not an issue for these vehicles to transport huge goods across extended distances. Additionally, our drivers have a lot of experience, they are licensed, obey all traffic laws, and arrive on time for your appointment. According to our consumers, we're the best Lebanon moving business. Local movers are typically less expensive than long distance ones. In terms of cost, our local moving services are amongst the best in town. Our relocation services are top notch despite our inexpensive costs. Our hourly rate is between $30 and $40, and we've had a lot of positive comments from our clients because of our excellent customer service. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Lebanon Moving Business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.